What up, guys? Welcome back. Brandon here. It's been a while. Tell you a quick story, but recently my other YouTube channel got hacked. So it's in the work. It's being processed of getting it back. It's a little bit of sad news, but I have some faith. I hope I can recover my email from whoever hacked. So yeah, I kind of took a pause on making opening videos, but you know, I decided to continue, and whether I can get my other channel back, I don't know. I'll just kind of use this account temporarily, but I guess have like my continuation videos be now uploaded on this page, and if I do get it back, then we'll continue uploading back on that page. But anyway, that's that. So we got 4 premium collection boxes from the recent set. Not Silver Tempest, but Lost Origins. So like I said, it's been a bit of a delay. Backed up on all my videos that I want to open. I have so much stuff to open, guys. So we're excited. We got Palkia. Actually, let's just show them here. So we got the Shaman. We got the Zoroark. I don't know any of these guys. I'm old school. We got Dialga, however you pronounce that guy. And last but not least, Palkia. So, pretty cool. We're just gonna kind of, you know, zoom, speed open all of these. Yeah. So we will see you guys in a bit. All right, so we're set up and ready. I'm gonna have to move this camera for a bit so you guys can see. So we got all our 4 giant Vstar cards. We got all the promos that come with it. Very nice promos. Yeah, I really like these. So most boxes come with 6 packs, and the Shaman came with 8. So we're just gonna kind of keep them the way they're all here. We're gonna remove all the giant cards for now, because I want to show you guys something if you haven't really noticed from the beginning of the video. But I got lucky and I opened up the new Silver Tempest, which I should have done on video. Would have been an amazing reaction, but I got my own card. I got Mancham pulling it here. Here, let me just grab it. Ugh. Look at this. Look at that beaut. Got my own Pokemon card, guys. That's great. So that's forever going to be just on the back. Mancham's holding it strong. Let's put these guys all along here, and then we'll just stack them once we start opening up some bangers. Throw it up on our roster. So all the code cards, guys, I get 1 per box. So I'm assuming this code card is for both promos in the box. So those are in the ship it bin, guys. So when it's time to get rid of this bin, you got some really nice sets in there. Cosmic going as back. No XY evolution, but we got Cosmic Eclipse. I think as furthest I go back to having any old packs still. Here's that code card. And last but not least, alright, sorry, I'm gonna have to, oh, just kind of cover it for now. Alright, and final pro card, there it is, all in the bin, guys. That's kind of like quarter filled. Alright, I'm excited. Cool coins. Of course, I collect them all. That one's really shiny. Look at that purple on it. And we got our little badges. You know, I collect these as well. And here's this giant one. This one's really cool. Wow. That's really nice. Oh, I don't even have it looked at on the camera. There you go. Pretty nice. Put those aside. All right, we got pretty decent amount of packs to open. Should get something decent though. Lost Origins. So we got mostly Lost Origins and, and Astral Radiance. Alright. First pack. Oh. Got a camera down, ladies and gents. Alright. Okay, white code card. Let's see what we get. And we got reverse hollow lady and a non-hollow rare dugong. So that's the first pack, guys. Okay, next pile. So that's 0 for 1 from Shaman. Let's see what Zorork has in store for us. You got us a black code card. Gonna do the trick. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the back, and Lightning Energy, Riley, Electric, Sliggoo, Rhyhorn, Wurmple, Gligar, Love Disc, Electrike, a Radiant Steelix, guys, not bad, and this is it. Oh my, this is the chase card everyone's wanting. This looks absolutely disgusting. Guys, the centering on this, come on. Oh my god, we opened it. Oh my god, what is this? Look, first pack from the Zorork. Careful. Holy shit. We got the Duranch. Oh my god, what a beaut. Alright. I don't want to spend too much time overreacting, but that's the one. We focus in on that. Look at that, guys. And a Radiant Steelix. Off-centered like crazy. That's terrible centering. Why is this thing so... yeah, that's really bad centering. But Radiant Steelix and the Giratina alternate art V or whatever that is. I just know that's the chase card, guys. What an opening first pack from that box. Well, let's put that aside. Okay. Lost Origins from Dialga box. Let's see what we get. A white code card. There's that. From Astral Radiance, we're looking for the Manchamp alternate art. That pack's a spark. And the Palkia first Lost Origins pack. Is it going to be a white or a black? Black rim. Alright, let's get it again. There's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we go. Leaf Energy, Abyssal, Lost City, Carbink, Ducklet, Blipbug, Finoin, Zorora, Paris, Snorlax Reverse, nice, and a Shiftry. Shiftry, yes. We will keep the Shiftry. Okay, Snorlax, we keep you 2. Put that aside. Ship the rest. Alright, back to the Shaman pack number 2. And this is Astral Radiance. Alright, so Manchamp, let's go. Black rim. Okay, there's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got this energy card. Overwill Quill, Kamado, Jubilee Village, Rowlet, Quillfish, Oshawott, Hoot, Poniard, Reverse, and an Absol Hollow Rare. Okay. Ship those. Okay. Go to this pack. And Astral Radiance, white code card. There's that. And here we go. A Registeel, guys. Non-hollow rare. Ship the whole bin. And this is Astral Radiance in the Dialga box. Well, that was easy to open. White rim. And we got a non-hollow Overquill and a reverse hollow Ralts. And Palkia box. Astral Radiance. Another white rim. And we got ourselves a character card, Obstagon. I think I have this. Nice art. I like these character cards. And then a non-hollow Glaceon. Okay, put that right over there. Alright, Fusion Strike roll. Nothing special out of Fusion Strike. One of the things are the Gengar, the Mew, Psy. Alright, Psychic Energy, Mandibuzz, Ninetales, Farewell Bell, Carsola, Quillfish, Vulpix, Chansey, Zigzagoon, Ameriticus, and a Greedent V. Cute looking squirrel, or yeah, giant squirrel. Evil. Okay, right there. Ship the rest. Alright, we got white rim. And we got ourselves a non-hollow Celigar and a reverse hollow Slugma. Ship them. White rim. And we got ourselves a non-hollow Latios and the reverse hollow Zigzagoon. Galarian. Ship it. Okay. Black rim. Okay, let's get something good out of Fusion Strike. Fusion Strike roll. Let's see what we get. Psychic Energy, Primeape, Barracuda, Bugcatcher, Darumaka, Indeedee, Growlithe, Morpeko, Phalanx, Crocodile, and a Melmetal Hollow Rare. Alright, we're going to ship all those. And we got one more Fusion Strike pack. There's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Energy. Shona. Primeape. Barracuda. Rockety-Doo. Darumaka. Silzapede. Stuffle. Plusle. Voltorb Reverse. Into a non-hollow Corsola. And Lost Origins roll, guys. First pack. And we got a Black Rim code card. There's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Leaf Energy. Hariyama. Nuzleaf. Torkoal. Pinnacle. Goomy. Bronzor. Snover. A Jinx. A Porygon 2. And a regular hollow rare Cresselia. It's a nice card. I like that back work, but let's ship it. Alright, so we're doing another Lost Origins row challenge, guys. That was the first pack. This is a white rim. Alright, we got ourselves a non-hollow Magernia rare in reverse Roselia. And pack number 2, the Black Rim. Okay. Uno, dos, tres, cuatros. Energy. Rhydon. Thornton. Roserade. Scovet. Phalanx. Poliwag. Oh, we got a character card, guys, and it's a Parasect. Nice. I like that. And into an Aerodactyl Vstar. we have this also, but this is amazing. Look at that. Those are 2 nice cards. Ship the rest. Aerodactyl Vstar. It's always nice to see an old guy. Let's put that in front of this squirrel. Sorry, bud. And I like this character card as well. Let's put that right in the middle. Okay. We're about halfway. Almost there. White rim. There's the code card. And we got ourselves a, whoa, non-hollow Ariados. Shit. Oh, back to the beginning. Alright, Shaman box. You got 8 packs, so I'm going to open you a little bit more and catch up. White rim. And we got ourselves, oh, and a Myena character card. Nice. Let's put that in front of Shaman. And now, Astral Radiance. Let's go, Manchamp. Open you, come on, Rainbow. It's a white rim. And nothing. A Leafeon. And reverse hollow Zisu. Okay, Evolving Skies. This is going to be the dark up. This is going to be the Umbreon alternate art. Feeling it. Ugh, white rim. Nope. It's going to be trash. And a non-hollow Stutland. Ship it. Whole pack. Astral Radiance. From the Dialga box, and it's a white rim. And we got a non-hollow Mamoswine, reverse hollow Grant. Shit. And last Astral Radiance pack for this box, white rim, and a Regidrago non-hollow rare with a reverse hollow Magnemite. Alright guys, last row. Astral Radiance. White rim. And a non-hollow Arcanine. Shipped. Chilling Rain, guys. Ooh. Wasn't expecting a Chilling Rain. And green card. That's going to be Trigger. And it's a non-hollow Scolipede. Ship the entire Chilling Rains pack. Fusion Strike. So we got a couple decent cards, guys, from these boxes. I guess what made it worth was the Giratina V. Card's like almost impossible to open, from what I've heard. And a non-hollow Milotetta. Reverse hollow Diggersby. And last pack of today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And as a Fusion Strike. And we got ourselves a reverse hollow Jigglypuff and then a non-hollow Palossand. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Like I said, I have quite a bit to open, and hopefully we kind of hit the chase cards, right? So see you guys next time. Peace.